Hi, I'll have your social media analysis and infographic back to you tomorrow, um, so that you can view my comments and then make the appropriate adjustments to your final project. But I wanted to send this out because I've been noticing the same issues on quite a few of your of submissions. First of all, is formatting. Make sure that your final project is in the proper format. A lot of you didn't follow the memo format for this past submission that was provided in the on the assignment sheet and was required part. I mean, you only lost like a point if you didn't follow that format. But I will be a little more strict with the final assignment for sure. Big one is audience analysis. And I didn't take a lot of points off for this because I know why a lot of you are formatting it this way, but so many of you are placing so much emphasis on your own role within the company or an expected role that you might have, and saving any kind of analysis of the actual audience till the end. Think about bluff formatting. What is this? It's an audience analysis. It's not a description of your role as much. I mean, I understand that is listed as the first thing on the assignment sheet, but I've asked you to consider bluff formatting. What's the most important thing to your audience? You don't want them to think that it's you so much. You want to show consideration for your audience and respect for your audience, and the importance of their role, how they'd like to see themselves in this analysis. So it's best to save the any mention of yourself to till the end, and place much more emphasis on the other members of your team, or your workmates, whatever you want to call them. So for your final project, perhaps gatekeeper is at the very beginning. Think about bluff formatting. Think about what is the most important thing. What are you just the audience analysis is just is one example that I can give you where I see mistakes being made, and I think that I can direct you pretty well. What are you doing with an audience analysis? You're analyzing, for lack of a better term, you're analyzing the audience. So just, you're not the only person in that audience. As a matter of fact, you probably should place yourself last. So just think about that. Again, watch vague language. You're going to see these comments again. Be very specific with your language in the final project. But overall, grades have been great. The things I've been very pleased with your level of participation. How prompt you've been. Very pleased with the class. One last thing. Of course, yesterday was July 4th. I didn't hold office hours. If you would like for me to hold office hours, if any of you would like to talk to me in the chat room, if any of you would like to have a video conference, send me an email and we'll do that this weekend. I'm available this weekend. I'm available with the final assignment is due. I'm not sure. I know it's the 8th, but I'm not sure what day that is. But anyway, just send me an email and we'll set something up. All right. Best of luck. Things are going well. Like I said, sometime tomorrow morning, hopefully early afternoon, I'll have all of your social media analyses done, graded, comments, and back to you. Thank you. Bye.